Hi, so today is another edition of Stock Tips. A short disclaimer as usual, only make financial decisions with the help of a professional. Never trade stocks on your own, uh, unless you want to lose money, you probably will. And never make drastic emotional decisions without any professional advice. These tips are just for educational purposes. So the tip I'd like to talk to you about today is why you should avoid hot stocks. Um, Everybody knows or heard, let's say, of Tesla. It's a stock with a lot of clout. Um, like many others, it's a stock that everybody talks about, and everybody's certain that electric cars are the future, which they are, and everybody's certain that this company is going to make the future, which it may. Now, why should we avoid this investment then? The simple reason is this: if everybody knows something to be true about the future, most likely that prediction is overvalued. If everyone knows that Tesla is going to succeed, um, even though it may, the stock price or the probability of it succeeding in people's minds is probably higher than the actual probability. Right? The enthusiasm is bigger than the reality. And when we want to invest into stocks, we want to invest into something that no one's aware of that will be the future. Right? So that's why hot stocks are simply overvalued. Um, if everybody knows about it, it's not that smart to go in with the herd. Now, mind you, what makes people compelled to invest is that such stocks usually exhibit strong momentum going upwards. And momentum is a very uh, stable it's a very stable phenomenon in finance. That is, many asset classes do show momentum, and momentum can proceed over time for a few years. Um, I remember the study I saw on momentum said something about 3 years being the average of a typical momentum. Um, in the housing market, it's closer to 5 years. In stocks, in currencies, I think it's about 3 years. In stocks, it can be about 3 to 5, I'd say. Um, so the momentum is there, and some people do make money through the momentum, more money than you would make in a typical stock market investment. But if we think, but that's speculation. That's speculation on momentum. That someone else will want to buy your asset at a higher price. Now, if you want to invest though, um, which implies do something safer and wiser with your money that will grow it over time and not just bring you excitement and emotions right now, then you need to avoid stocks that everybody talks about. You need to look for stocks, or you need to invest into stocks that seem boring, that seem just, you know, nothing exciting about them. You know, local garbage collector, for instance. You know, something that people would emotionally avoid. Um, one set of stocks I'm looking at right now are actually funeral home stocks. It's something emotionally, bleak and dark. And for that very reason, it may be a better asset. Not to mention it is hard to disrupt by internet or AI technologies. So that's the stock tip of the day. Thank you.